Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future to explore the top 5 weirdest car inventions that could become reality by the year 2100. Buckle up, because these innovations are going to blow your mind. Imagine a car that can heal itself after an accident. By 2100, self-healing materials could become mainstream in the automotive industry. These materials would use advanced nanotechnology to repair dents, scratches, and even major damage automatically. This could drastically reduce the need for repairs and extend the lifespan of vehicles. Flying cars have been a dream for decades, but by 2100, they might finally become a reality. These vehicles would use vertical takeoff and landing technology, similar to drones, to navigate through the skies. Imagine avoiding traffic jams by simply flying over them. The future of commuting could be up in the air. Ever struggled to find a parking spot? Shape-shifting cars could be the solution. These vehicles would have flexible frames and advanced robotics, allowing them to change their shape to fit into tight spaces. Whether you need to squeeze into a narrow spot or stretch out for more comfort, shape-shifting cars could adapt to your needs. Exploring the depths of the ocean could become as easy as a Sunday drive with underwater cars. These hybrid vehicles would transition seamlessly from land to water, transforming into submersible vessels. Imagine taking a road trip to the beach and continuing your journey underwater to explore marine life and underwater landscapes. Sustainability will be a key focus for the cars of 2100, and solar-powered vehicles could lead the charge. These cars would be equipped with highly efficient solar panels that harness the sun's energy to power the vehicle. This could drastically reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and help combat climate change. The future of cars is full of incredible possibilities. From self-healing materials to solar power, the inventions we've discussed today could redefine transportation as we know it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content about the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.